In 2024, a study published in the American Journal of Family Medicine found that up to 50 to 53% of medical students experience burnout. Personally, from my own experience and from observation with my colleagues, here are 3 signs to identify that you might have burnout. The first is you feel like you are in autopilot most of the time. You feel like you are depersonalized. You feel like you're not yourself, just going through the motion. If there's a good news, it barely makes you happy. If there's a sad news, the reaction is neutral. Autopilot. Second telltale sign, you are no longer enjoying the things you used to do. For example, after studying, perhaps in the past, you brew yourself a fresh cup of coffee. Now, you don't feel like it anymore because you're not deriving the same level of satisfaction that it used to give you. Number 3, physiologic changes. This implies, for example, you're suddenly being more or less sleepy than usual. Your appetite is more or less than usual. Even your bowel habits can be affected. Some telltale signs that you might have burnout.